What's up, guys? This is Rabia, and you are listening to the Brown Girl Rants. How's going? How's the weather? I know it's very bad. In Lahore, it's really bad, and I'm sure कि पाकिस्तान में या फिर इंडिया में जो भी सुन रहे हैं, the weather it's hot, or we just have to go through it. I don't know what to tell you. We just have to. It's so hot. I don't want to go out. लेकिन I am going out more often now क्योंकि there's just so much work to do. बाहर का कल भी मैं बाहर थी तो इट्स मतलब कि आई कैन नॉट अवॉइड इट लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि वंस आई गो आउट तो फिर इट्स मतलब कि इट्स द आइडिया ऑफ इट इज़ मोर स्केरी टू मी. एक बार मैं बाहर जाती हूँ मैं भी मतलब कि मुझे लगता है कि इफ़ यू लाइक कीप वर्किंग या इफ़ यू कीप ट्रैवलिंग तो फिर इट्स लाइक फाइन. मुझे लगता है गाड़ी में इट्स वेरी बैड लेकिन अगर मतलब इफ़ यू कीप मूविंग लेकिन अगर आप एक जगह हो तो मुझे लगता है कि इट्स इंसेनली बैड. आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग लेकिन इफ़ यू आर इन यूनिवर्सिटी लाइक जस्ट फाइंड द एरियाज दैट एटलीस्ट हैव अ फ़ैन. और हमारा गर्मियों में हमेशा ये होता था कि वी यूज़ टू लाइक लुक इन द क्लासेस इन आर फ्री पीरियड्स जहाँ पे जो है वो कोई ना हो और वहाँ पे पंखा चल रहा हो. और कभी कभी इफ़ यू आर लकी इनफ वी कुड गेट द AC टू और वी वुड गो इन द लाइब्रेरी. लेकिन लाइब्रेरी में ऑलरेडी इतना रश होता था गर्मियों में क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली एवरीवन इज़ गोइंग इन लाइब्रेरी तो वी वुड लाइक फाइंड एम्प्टी क्लासेस और हम वहाँ जाके बैठते थे क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली इट्स रियली 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 हॉट. और यूनिवर्सिटी में कुछ जगह ऐसी होंगी जो बेहतर होंगी ठंडी होंगी तो फाइंड दैट. एंड आई होप मतलब आई जस्ट विश यू द बेस्ट. कीप ड्रिंकिंग वाटर और यू गॉट दिस. फॉल इज सून. फॉल से पहले there's monsoon coming तो we like look forward to the monsoon और fall को हम बाद में देखेंगे. तो monsoon is one of my favorite time of the year. I love monsoon so much. It makes me so happy. Rain in summer like generally just makes me a lot happy. I am not a big fan of rain in winters. It's kind of depressing. Oh, it's not that bad honestly. लेकिन you cannot get drenched in rain in winters and I have got drenched in rain in winters. और इट्स नॉट दैट बैड ऑनेस्टली. मैं ऐसे ही कह रही हूँ एनीवे. लेकिन आई डू लव लाइक रेन इन समर इज़ अ better feeling and it's so enjoyable and I love it so much, so I'm really looking forward to monsoon. Also I am fasting today क्योंकि I guess it's like the last रमज़ान का शवाल होता है ना. उस दिन भी मैं कुछ बोल रही थी. my mom was like you were like naming the wrong month. I think it's शवाल. मुझे इतना भी नहीं पता. इट्स शवाल. तो आई एम फास्टिंग फॉर शवाल. मैंने इतना ज़्यादा मतलब आई डिडंट फास्टेड लाइक एवरी सिंगल डे और 6 कंसेक्यूटिव डेज क्योंकि मतलब मैं भूल गई थी कि शवाल. और आई वॉज लाइक एट द कुरान क्लास लास्ट वीक एंड दे वर लाइक ओ बाय द वे आर यू फास्टिंग फॉर शवाल एंड आई वाज लाइक आई डिडंट नो. लेकिन उस दिन 6 दिन रह गए थे तो आई स्टिल कुडंट फास्ट एवरी सिंगल डे. लेकिन आज लास्ट दिन है तो आई वाज लाइक कि ओ आज तो मुझे रखना है. और मुझे लगता है कि वी वर वेरी लकी कि हमारे रोज़े जो हैं वो कुछ बेहतर मौसम में निकल आए क्योंकि अब टू फास्ट एंड टू गो आउट इज़ लाइक मतलब कि वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. तो जिस दिन मुझे बाहर का काम होता था उस दिन मैं नहीं रोज़ा रखती थी. जैसे मैंने कल बाहर जाना था तो मैंने कल रोज़ा भी नहीं रखा था. तो मुझे लगता है कि द वेदर इज़ वेरी 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 हॉट. लेकिन ऑल्सो आई जस्ट फील सो गुड आफ्टर फास्टिंग. और मैंने सोचा हुआ है कि मैंने हर महीने ज़रूर मतलब कि आई विल फास्ट एटलीस्ट 1 डे पूरे मतलब के महीने में एट लीस्ट. और मतलब कि ऑब्वियसली देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ रोज़ाज जो मैंने रखने भी हैं क्योंकि वो मेरे छूट गए थे. तो मुझे लगता है कि इट्स गुड इफ़ यू लाइक आई कैन कीप दैट प्रैक्टिस क्योंकि मोस्टली ये होता है कि रमज़ान के बाद यू जस्ट फॉरगेट. और सर्दियों में भी आपकी हिम्मत नहीं पड़ती एंड यू लाइक जस्ट ओके फाइन. लेकिन मुझे लगा कि ओ देयर इज़ नो रीज़न फॉर मी टू नॉट फास्ट. इट्स ओके. ज़्यादातर काम जो है जो मैंने मतलब कि एक्चुअली करना है वो मैंने मगरिब के बाद ही करना है तो इट्स फाइन. Also, did I told you guys? Maybe I did. Anyways, I'm taking Tajweed classes. Shout out to my friend, or she's my online friend actually. Like, obviously, I posted a story and she was like, "Oh my God, I do Tajweed classes." So मैंने कहा कि ओ माई गॉड आई वुड लव टू लाइक जॉइन. और आई जॉइन. पहले 2-3 दिन आई वाज लाइक ओ माई गॉड आई कांट डू दिस. मैं इतनी बुरी हूँ. और लेकिन नाउ इट्स सो गुड एंड आई वांट टू कीप कंटिन्यूइंग इट एंड इट माई लाइक प्रोनाउंसिएशन हैव बिन सो बेटर इन अरेबिक. तो इट्स रियली गुड एंड दिस इज़ योर साइन टू नॉट शाई. और मुझे लगता है कि मैं इतने लोगों को और जानती हूँ इवन माई पेरेंट्स तो दे वर लाइक के ओके मतलब हम मतलब कि वी वुड लव टू, एंड आई वाज टेलिंग देम कि उस क्लास में लाइक इतने बूढ़े लोग भी होते हैं या फिर हर एज के उस क्लास में लोग हैं, तो यू शुड लाइक नॉट डोंट शाई अवे. आई एम सो बिग, आई एम टेकिंग इट, सो इट्स ओके. और देयर इज़ नो एज टू लर्न, एंड देयर इज़ ट्रूली नो एज टू लर्न. और इस वजह से इफ़ मतलब this is your motivation to like to मतलब if you this is something you want to improve, so you should, क्योंकि it just feels so good to learn something. Or I feel really 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 great. So shout out to Rimsha, my online friend. I have two Rimshas in my life. One is my cousin or one is my मतलब के online friend, and both of them are very dear to me. और मैं आजकल उन दोनों से मतलब कि they are like on the top of my like forwarding list. और इससे मतलब कि मुझे मतलब कि आई वॉन्ट टू ऑल्सो से दैट आई एम सो एक्साइटेड, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट वीक मतलब कि माई कज़न रिमशा इज़ कमिंग ओवर, एंड आई एम एक्चुअली लाइक देयर इज जस्ट अ लॉट गोइंग ऑन, मतलब कि और आई एम एक्चुअली मतलब कि just so much going on, and I feel so overwhelmed by so much stuff, and it's just sad. Or and I am so excited. She's coming over next weekend, and we have the whole thing planned. We will do this, we will do. I'm so excited. We only get to meet like once a month. No, we met once this year too. Lekin we mostly like meet once a month, or I meant once a year. Okay, sorry. That is so less, considering that she's literally my best friend. So I am so excited she's coming over, and we could like have so much fun, or we could like do, and it would just make me so happy. So I am really 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 excited for that. Or my sister Ikra's board exams ended, so she is at home for the next like 3 to 4 months, and I'm really excited to have her at home too. उसके बाद उसकी university would start. I'm excited for that too. I think for me, my university was really one of the best periods of my life. So I'm excited for her to experience that life as well, and to see, witness, and to help her in the whole process of selecting universities, or selecting a degree and going in it. And I hope she finds interest in it, hopefully. And I actually, मतलब कि I gonna like, once we have all that done and she inshallah secures her admission in a decent university and a good degree program, whatever she wants, so I like have her on the podcast, and I like tell you guys how she's selected and how she's shortlisted, so it could like maybe help some of you. So yeah, that's gonna happen. Like, and I'm just so excited for the coming events. There are some hardships, like, I hope we just go through that. In my life, I think I just want peace and contentment. और for me, मुझे लगता है कि मतलब that's my final goal. और मुझे लगता है कि जितना मर्जी, obviously at some point in my life it was my goal to have a lot of money. Not a lot, like, and have मतलब कि yeah, to have some money and to be like enjoy it और ये वो. and alhamdulillah मुझे लगता है कि अल्लाह ताला ने जो है वो he gave me the opportunity कि I would be able to like मतलब achieve that goal. And now I just want to like be better, but at the same time I just don't want to be hungry for money. I am like bad to other people, right? At the end of the day, I want to be a good person, or I just want peace and contentment, which actually I really have, because there's just a lot of people who are like, oh, maybe do this, maybe do that. Like, I know what's better for me, and I just need peace in it, and I am with my family, or I just want to be a good person, and I want the things around me to be better. Like, end goal is peace, ठीक है ना? जब आप मर रहे होते हो तो आपको याद नहीं रहता कि आपने क्या क्या किया था, कहाँ गए हैं, या आपके पैसों से क्या क्या हुआ था, क्या क्या नहीं हुआ था. आपको ये याद रहता है कि यार मेरी वजह से किसी का दिल तो नहीं दुखा. मुझे ये याद होगा कि यार मैंने कि सही तरह नमाज़ें पढ़ी, मैंने अपने रोज़े पूरे रख लिए. ये होगा व्हेन आई बी डाइंग आई बी थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट. I would not be in peace if I know कि there is someone who I have hurted. तो इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि for me, I just think about that a lot, and that makes me want to realize what kind of person I want to be, and what kind of things I want to carry with me and leave with me. Or it just sometimes disheartens me to see people around that are like unnecessary mean, or you didn't even do it. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि that's how it is, और it's अच्छे लोगों के साथ भी बुरा होता है. तो I think my goal for me is just to be a better person for everyone else. this is not the topic for today's podcast. Like, and I really want to do a podcast on it. So maybe I like work on this topic, more on this topic, and I can make a whole podcast on it. And I think it would help you guys really too, because it's just so nice to hear words of affirmation and the words that like truly makes you, मतलब brings peace to you. So I hope के मतलब this helped you. Like, and that is not today's topic. So we're gonna move on to that and talk about it, and it's related to productivity, which is one of my favorite things to cover on this podcast, and I'm really excited. Also, I uploaded my YouTube video last Sunday, and I'm just really happy to upload YouTube, or I'm trying to make it as, okay, let's talk about this. I'm trying to make my YouTube as faceless as I can, क्योंकि मुझे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता रियलाइज़ होता है कि विद दिस पॉडकास्ट मुझे लगता है कि आई एम मोस्ट कंटेंट विद दिस पॉडकास्ट, बिकॉज आई कैन से एनी थिंग आई वॉन्ट, लेकिन आई डोंट हैव टू शो माई फेस. लेकिन ऑब्वियसली with YouTube, since it's visual, it get more views, more listeners than the podcast, which disappoints me, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है why people don't listen to the podcast. लेकिन obviously YouTube have a better reach और वो सब कुछ है. तो मुझे मतलब I understand that's why I wanted to do YouTube. I always wanted to, or I think it will bring people to the podcast. लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम मुझे हमेशा से मतलब मैंने जब स्टार्ट की थी, मतलब इट्स बिन 2 months ऑब्वियसली, लेकिन आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड आई डोंट वांट टू शो माय फेस, आई डोंट वांट टू. लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम आई वाज लाइक हाउ वुड आई मेक इट एंटरटेनिंग इफ आई एम नॉट शोइंग माय फेस, हाउ वुड पीपल नो एंड बी एंटरटेन. लेकिन व्हेन आई वुड वॉच माय ओन वीडियोज आई वुड रियलाइज कि आई एम enjoying the parts more where I'm doing something instead of where I'm just sitting and talking. क्योंकि उसके लिए मेरी पॉडकास्ट है, तो जिसको मुझे बोलते हुए सुनना है वो मेरी पॉडकास्ट फॉलो कर सकता है, मेरी इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि उस पर मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ. विद इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी इज दैट कि आई कैन रियली कंट्रोल द पीपल who can see me, or I can remove the people who I just feel I'm not comfortable with, or I don't post anything like that on my feed. मैं अपने close friends list पे बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें post करती हूँ. Like I post my makeup routine and I do so much, and I do get ready. मतलब it's just so much fun, क्योंकि मतलब there's this urge to me to act like an influencer and to act like I'm in a Vogue video, but at the same time I'm just not comfortable to show everyone that. So, or there's just been 2-3 incidents in the past few days where I just was so sure that I don't want to show my face, because yeah, I do believe that people should be careful, or they should not, people should behave and they should not like do all of this. Like, I also just don't have this urge to show my face to every single person. Like, I can still post the content I want to post without showing my face, right? तो इस वजह से मैंने इस बार यूट्यूब पे मतलब वाज लाइक कम्प्लीटली फेसलेस, एंड माई फ्रेंड्स सेड दे रियली एंजॉयड एंड इट्स गुड. एंड so yeah, I think I'm gonna continue that. I really want to know your guys' opinion. I think my voice is something that I would still, मैंने इस YouTube वीडियो में voice over किया था, तो मुझे लगता है कि I like added voice over and it would be entertaining. I hope so. Lekin you guys let me know how it is, or and follow the Brown Girl Rants on the YouTube, or watch my vlogs and then let me know okay, how you feel about it. And to all the people who are listening to this podcast, they're very less. Lekin I just really thank you guys a lot. Like, you guys keep me going. This podcast is still one of the best things that have ever happened to me, and I am so happy, and it just brings me so much joy. Or yeah, so but again, I don't know why I'm so emotional. I know why I am. Like, I don't know. Okay, I'll just keep saying it in the podcast. Like, yeah, let's just move to the real topic and talk about it. I'm also fasting, so I don't want to lose all of my energy. तो इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि I'll be kind of quick with it. और फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में we could like just do a like nice deep discussion, और इस पे let's just like do the discussion of like moving and like going quickly. Or if you're मतलब मुझे लगता है कि it's just so sad कि I can't tell कि who are listening to this podcast. So if you're listening to this podcast, like please let me know. I want to thank you. पता नहीं, I just feel like so much like I just feel so grateful to whoever listens to me. I'm like कि कौन मतलब सुनता है, मतलब there's someone out there who's just listening to every single episode and is waiting for your new episode. मतलब that's like so insane, and I just can't believe it. or it's would be almost like 1.5 year. Like if for from 1.5 year I'm posting an episode every single day. So insane. Anyways, let's just move to the topic that is for today. Now, productivity in summer is seems tough, okay? Or it seems like it just seems so bizarring, and you're like, why would I want to do that? Like, and trust me, I think being productive with summer is quite easier than being productive in winters. I think it is. You guys could be like, no, Rabia, you're wrong in this. You guys can say that. Like, and here, let me explain, okay? Let me put my point. If you guys disagree with it, I would love to know your opinion. Like, anyways, I think being productive in summers is kind of easier than being productive in winters, because in winters you want to be more lazy. Here's what happens in summer: you cannot sleep more unless you are like sleeping in an air conditioned room, or AC जो है वो इतना तेज है and you're like sleeping with a blanket. That's मतलब you basically change the weather. तो ये वजह मुझे लगता है कि that's the only part where you would want to be lazy. लेकिन if you are like sleeping in summers, you don't want to sleep a lot. आपको नींद नहीं आती, इतनी गर्मी होती है, you're like मतलब you don't find the pleasure in sleeping in summers the way you find in winters. Summers में आपकी नींद भी जल्दी पूरी हो जाती है. Summers में it's much easier to wake up early. So what I'm gonna suggest and advise to you guys and myself is to wake up early. Like game changing. एक तो जब आप सुबह उठोगे उस time it won't be that bad. The heat won't be that bad as it would be at 2 p.m. or 12 p.m. और उस वक्त अगर आप उठोगे तो यू विल बी लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट टू डू, कहाँ मैं जाऊँ. तो इस वजह से wake up early, do your stuff, and then take rest the time where it's like peak गर्मी. Obviously someone who's going to university, I know कि ये आपके हाथ में नहीं है, it's okay, just listen to it, I guess. Or you're already waking up early, so I admire that and I appreciate that. और for the people who are going to university or college, लेकिन college तो कोई जा नहीं रहा, मुझे लगता है फर्स्ट ईयर के एग्जाम्स हैं और उसके बाद जो है आपकी छुट्टियाँ हैं. तो या तो anyways, so the people in college, you need to like start, मतलब you need to wake up early. I know you guys are like के हमने कॉलेज के टाइम भी ये किया, लेट अस स्लीप, ये, लेकिन लाइक ट्रस्ट मी, अभी आपका जो टाइम है यू वुड वांट टू लाइक डू समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट, एंड दिस टाइम इज वो शुड बी मेमोरेबल फॉर यू. तो आई थिंक यू शुड लाइक adopt a hobby or see what you want to do and do it in the morning. और मुझे लगता है कि just waking up early is better, क्योंकि एक तो you're मतलब waking up early just makes it, just puts you in a good mental position, mentally it puts you in the right place mentally. You feel positivity, you can do your stuff, क्योंकि बाकी सारे घर में मतलब खामोशी होती है, सारे सोए होते हैं. You can like enjoy your stuff, and then when it's like really 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 hot, you can like rest for some time. And I think for me that's like the best like routine ever. लेकिन अगर you are going to university, तो you're already waking up early, तो I'll suggest you guys to the people in university के जो आपका मतलब कि पढ़ाई वाला काम है, सो मतलब कि ट्राई डूइंग दैट वर्क आइदर एट नाइट, मतलब मगरिब के बाद या फिर शाम के बाद, और डू इट इन द मॉर्निंग, ताकि यू आर लाइक इट्स नॉट मतलब कि इट्स नॉट दैट हॉट, मतलब कि आप अगर यू आर यूजिंग योर ब्रेन एट द टाइम व्हेन इट्स लाइक अ लिटिल बिट बेटर, द वेदर इज़ अ लिटिल बिट बेटर, क्योंकि मुझसे बिल्कुल गर्मी में नहीं पड़ा जाता था. और लेकिन एनीवेज मतलब कि मुझे लगता है कि आई एम जस्ट सेइंग about productivity. Obviously I can't tell like every single person that what they should do. Like I'm just saying that if you have the option to wake up early and do your stuff, to do that, because in summers it's better to wake up at 6 a.m. than to do at 12. In winters I won't argue with that, मतलब obviously you would want to sleep late, like in summers actually waking up early is better and productive and just good for you and just more enjoyable and puts you in the right place than to wake up early in winters. So इस वजह से you can be more productive, you can do more work done in summers because you're not lazy. Summers में also you just lose your appetite for like a lot of things, like मतलब for but even your comfort food, like if I like Alfredo pasta or I like Indomie noodles, I can't really help have them because they're just so hot कि मैं बस चाहती हूँ कि मैं बस पानी पीती रहूँ. So you kind of like lose your appetite for your comfort food as well. I don't feel like baking या फिर कुछ ऐसा करूँ क्योंकि it's just so hot. I just don't want to eat all of that, right? तो मुझे लगता है कि for me it's easier for in summers to lose weight as well, ठीक है, और टू नॉट लाइक ओवर ईट. और क्योंकि आई मतलब कि I ate a lot in Ramzan, though I'm just trying to like balance it out. मुझे लगता है in summers it's easier for me, in winters it's not. So what you need to see, here's what I think that could work. Like generally I can't be general with like waking up early. Obviously you can do if it works for you, it's an option that you can avail and you would see it is really better than just staying late. क्योंकि एक तो आपको इतनी सुस्ती होती है ना, if you are waking up at like 12 बजे या 1 बजे in गर्मियाँ, you मतलब कि for me my day is ruined. I'm like I woke up so late. I don't want to do anything. It takes me 5 hours to like think about something and like set back to it. तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि for me waking up early is like better कि I can just like process all of this और मैं देख सकूँ. I like taking shower early in the morning क्योंकि मतलब कि I can just be ready and go with my day. तो I think if I would just really suggest you, मतलब कि मैंने अपनी पिछली में बोला था कि मतलब in your, oh my god I can't speak in your, but in मतलब कि in, oh my god what I was saying, okay, मुझे लगता है कि being able to not being able, like okay, if you don't want like to get like this much like heated up by heat, like if you want to like make summer a little bit better for you, I said in the last podcast, so you need to be like clean and fresh, okay, right? So if you are waking up early, so something I would really suggest and it will help you with the productivity is that you take a shower when you want to. Obviously you cannot wash your hair with a shampoo every single day. You can actually if it works for you. For some people it does, for some people it doesn't. My hair are weak, so I don't like, and I do like एक दिन छोड़ के एक दिन I shampoo my hair. तो इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि whatever works for you. लेकिन if you just feel like hot and you feel nasty, तो मुझे लगता है कि it's just better to like get a shower and put on new clothes and you'll feel like immediately better. तो मुझे लगता है कि this is one tip I say for summer. If you want this weather better for you and if you want to be proactive, you need to like wake up early and take a shower and get dressed and then do your breakfast, okay? So that will just start your day on a positive note and you will be comparatively happy than you would be if you are just in your like the clothes what you wore when you slept. You're just in the same clothes and you didn't shower and you're just there and you just feel hot and you just feel gross and bad and everything. तो मुझे लगता है इससे बेहतर है कि you just like take a shower and put fresh clothes and just feel fresh. क्योंकि मेरे साथ भी यही होता था since I'm in home. तो मैं कहती थी ओ मैं एक ही कपड़े मतलब कि मैं क्यों रोज़ रोज़ चेंज करूँ. लेकिन I just feel better when I wear like new, मतलब कि not new like obviously not like new लेकिन fresh clothes that are clean clothes and I change my clothes and then at night I can change to my night suit again. I hope that makes sense. लेकिन again here's what you would want to do. For मुझे लगता है summers, think of the things that you can't do in winters. Like again with shower, you cannot take a quick shower in cold water. You cannot enjoy that in winters. For winters, if you want to take a shower, you need to first like find the strength and do मतलब कि और फिर आप उसके बारे में सोचते हो. It takes your one business day to plan it कि oh I'm gonna shower on that day and then you do it. Or in the start it's like it's not good and then you don't want to go out because the water is so nice. In summers it's not that. The water is cold and nice. It's not cold actually, the water is warm क्योंकि if you have like मतलब there is this thing and the water is like really hot. लेकिन actually मेरे साथ मेरा ये है कि जो गर्म साइड है ना उधर पानी ठंडा आता है, उधर नॉर्मल आता है. तो मे बी यू कैन ट्राई दैट. लेकिन हम पहले ये करते थे कि वी वुड लाइक जस्ट फिल द like tub with water and we would like leave it alone to cool down for 2-3 hours. So you can do it in the night and in the morning it would be nice and cool. So you can try that. वरना मतलब कि now I मतलब कि obviously showering is like quick and nice, तो I do that. और क्योंकि जो गर्म वाली साइड है उस पर पता नहीं किस तरह ठंडा पानी आता है, like magically, I don't know how. तो anyways I do that, or it's just feel nice. लेकिन when I was saying कि you need to see the things that you won't be able to do in winters, that is कि मतलब कि I personally lose my appetite for so many things that I really love. So I can like lose weight and be like just not overeat. And then or also मतलब कि मुझे लगता है कि for some people it's good कि they are like मतलब कि taking 3 meals. लेकिन for me it's better कि I'm taking 2 meals, क्योंकि एक तो मुझे भूख नहीं लगी, दूसरी बात ये कि if I'm waking up I take breakfast and then so there was just a little bit disturbance. Anyways, I can't speak, I don't know. Anyways, so what we were saying is that what I was saying, so I just मतलब I can lose some weight, or I can like measure the food I'm taking, or just do how I cannot like talk about nutrition and how much you need to see it. I'm just doing what better for me, so I just don't want to advise anything that is not good, or obviously. So anyways, so or also I can wake up early because in Sardi it's much more difficult. I also started waking up for Fajr, or it's मुझे समझ नहीं आती why would I not पहले, क्योंकि I would be like oh my god मेरी नींद, मैं सो नहीं पाऊँगी दोबारा, ये कुछ भी नहीं होता है ऐसा, मुझे 1 मिनट में फिर से नींद आ जाती है. एंड आई थिंक कि बस बहाने थे एमी. तो एनीवेज, तो आई वेक अप फॉर फजर, तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गुड. यू कैन डू वजू much more easily in summers obviously. तो मुझे लगता है there is just a lot of things you can do in summers that you won't be able to do in winters, or winter में you are just more lazy and you can do more productivity वाला work in summers. तो make sure you are doing that. And obviously you मतलब कि there is just always the right time for your hobbies. So if you are on your break, that's for the people बच्चे in 10th class, 9th class and first year, second year. So just do that, just do the work you want to do, and just if you even if you want to rest you can, क्योंकि I think obviously I do understand कि you've worked so hard for the for like a year or 2, and now you want to rest. That's fine and that's understandable. लेकिन just मुझे लगता है कि just live it to the fullest. Whatever you feel like I want to do, just live it to the fullest. Don't worry about things. और मुझे लगता है it's so hot, even I cannot like plan a meetup with my friends, or it's just really hot and I'm like oh my god, okay we'll see, कुछ नहीं होता. तो मुझे लगता है कि don't put your experience कि मैंने ये चीज़ अपने दोस्त के साथ experience करनी है. Experience what you can experience. और मुझे लगता है this is a great time to like not stay without, or लेकिन just live your own life and just do the activities that you can enjoy alone and enjoy your company. I hope that makes sense. So anyways, I hope you have a great vacations. Or to the university people, I work hard. The finals are near and you would be free after that, and you can also like rest and not work that hard in summers. So whoever has vacation, just like do whatever you like. But at the same time, if you're just feeling bad and anxious, or if there's just someone like me who still wants to be productive in this hot weather, so you can like try doing the things that I am doing, and that hopefully makes you feel better. I'm gonna say this thing again, using mobile just makes me so anxious, or I would not recommend to use a lot of phone and to be a lot of phone to myself and to you guys as well. क्योंकि for me, मैं जब भी ज़्यादा फ़ोन यूज़ करती हूँ, मैंने अभी अगर I'm like कि मैंने 1 घंटा फ़ोन ही यूज़ करती हूँ, it just makes me feel so bad. इसके बजाय अगर मैं YouTube देख लूँ, या फिर मैं Netflix देख लूँ, या मैं कुछ ऐसा करके देख लूँ, या मैं बुक पढ़ लूँ, तो मुझे इतना बुरा नहीं लगता, क्योंकि it's like कि okay, I at least watched something or did something, and you can't do it क्योंकि I am not that obsessed कि मैं binge read या binge watch करूँ. तो for me that's fine, क्योंकि मैं 1 घंटे बाद मैं वैसे ही कहती हूँ कि बाद मैंने नहीं और देखना. तो इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि that is more better than to scroll and to watch all these reels, और उसके बाद आपको कि आप just anxious feel करो. तो इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि it's just better कि to not like to like see ke matlab to just start reading a book or to watch a show or to watch YouTube and to watch the Brown Girl Rants vlogs. लेकिन then to like actually just scroll and watch reels और उस पे आप मतलब क्योंकि you just don't get anything out of it, right? With fiction you like are seeing a story, you learn something or you just मतलब experience a good story, and that's good, and that makes you more happy and excited than to like scroll reels. That's not that obviously enjoyable. So I hope all of this was valuable to you, and I hope you learned anything out of it. I'm gonna go now because I need to like go with the day, and it's Tuesday. Not Tuesday, it's Wednesday actually. I need to edit it and post it right now, literally right now. And then like I have to go through the whole day and just do work, and there's just so much work to do. My wardrobe is a mess right now. I cannot even tell you guys. My wardrobe is so bad, and it's just so hard to pick an outfit every single day. I need to work on it. Like, and since I have Ikra now, so obviously she can help me with that. Also, what else needs to be fixed? There's just a lot of things. I want to like clean my room a bit, or also I want to like make a video and put QI I changed the furniture of my room, and I really just wanted to show it. So I think I'm just procrastinating cleaning it and my like making a good video of it because I would love to show it. Anyways, so that's what's happening for me. I just hope things just work out because in July and September I am expecting to like change something about my life, to change a little bit something, and just to start something new. So I hope I just said it, like, and I'm not sure if it's gonna happen or not. Like, I just said it, and everyone will be like, what you're doing? I'm doing nothing. I am nothing. Why did I say that? Anyways, I wish something. I wish I could bring a little change. Like in any, it's fine. I have not anything planned. Like I'm not. I just said I should end this podcast. Like I would love to, because मुझे लगता है with fall it's like a change. Also मुझे लगता है since my sister is going to university, तो मुझे लगता है कि I am also like in that, and I'm like okay, she's going to university, so that would be a change for her. तो मुझे लगता है I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, bye. Take care, protect yourself from the heat by wearing sunscreen and sunglasses. Oh my god, I have been going out for the past like 3-4 days, not consecutively, like ek din chhod ke ek din, and sunglasses are like a game changer. I don't know how to explain you, like it helps. I swear to god it helps. So buy as it's worth the money, or you should buy a pair of sunglasses and wear it. You might look stupid. My siblings laugh at me कि ओ तुम कितनी बेवकूफ़ लग रही हो, लेकिन I know it helps me, क्योंकि ऐसी धूप में बगैर sunglasses it's very bad. So sunglasses makes it better for you. So yeah, I also want to buy a cap because I think cap helps as well. So yeah, there's just a lot of things that I want to like do, and I like keep you updated with that on the stories. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the YouTube thing and subscribe to the podcast as well. And I'll see you guys next week with another topic. And yeah, stay blessed.